How to make safe payments on Alibaba. Ensuring secure payments is essential when buying on Alibaba. Use Alibaba's credit assurance whenever possible. It protects your payment until the order is delivered and meets agreed specifications. You can also pay via credit card, PayPal, or bank transfer depending on supplier option. Avoid paying outside Alibaba as this removes the platform's protection. Always confirm order details before sending money and keep receipts or screenshots of payment confirmation. For large orders, split payments or use credit assurance to reduce risk and ensure supplier accountability. Have you used credit assurance before? Let us know about your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can make safe payments on Alibaba. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.